Hello everybody, summer is here, and my fan decided it was on strike. Could we fix it? As you can see, my good old box fan won't start. This could be caused by a couple of components, so disconnect it from the outlet and let's open it up. This is the first component that could be failing. This black box is a condenser and it's needed to start the motor. I'm pretty much sure that it is good, because I've replaced it last season and the chances that it fried again are very low. So I went deeper and I've removed the fan and opened the motor. We can see that the axle is spinning, but not as freely as it should. The fix should be as easy as grease up everything. I'm using some white grease and I spray it pretty much everywhere the axle turns. After that, I'm barely reassembling it to test. As I was hoping, as soon as the switch is in the one position, the fan starts without any problem. I've reassembled it, being careful that no cables were pinched by the case. This week too we were able to fix something and avoid some landfill. I hope you enjoyed this video and I invite you to subscribe and leave a like, it really helps me. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week, but In the meantime, remember to keep things alive.